Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic chili pickle. First, gather your fresh garlic cloves and vibrant red chilies. You'll also need a selection of aromatic spices like fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, and turmeric powder. For the liquid base, prepare some mustard oil, white vinegar, and salt. Make sure all your ingredients are thoroughly cleaned and completely dry before moving to the next step. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by peeling about 250 grams of fresh garlic cloves. Next, take 150 grams of red chilies and slit them lengthwise. You can remove the seeds if you prefer a milder pickle. Lightly roast your whole spices, such as fenugreek and mustard seeds, then grind them into a coarse powder to release their full aroma and flavor. Moving on to cooking the base. Heat approximately 200 milliliters of mustard oil in a pan until it just begins to smoke, then let it cool slightly. Add your chopped garlic and slit chilies to the warm oil, sautéing them gently until they become slightly softened. Now, stir in your freshly ground spices, cooking everything together for about 5 minutes on a low flame to meld the flavors. To finish our delicious pickle, stir in about 50 milliliters of white vinegar and add salt to your taste preference. This helps preserve the pickle and balances the flavors. Once everything is well combined, let the pickle cool down completely to room temperature. Finally, transfer your homemade garlic chili pickle into clean, sterilized, airtight glass jars for long-term storage. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.